Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect iPhone to Roku TV. Let's go. Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your Roku TV and your iPhone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you want to use the Roku virtual remote, then find and install Roku app. Select your Roku device. What should I do if I don't have Wi-Fi? Open iPhone settings, Personal hotspot, turn on. Select your hotspot network. Enter password. If you want to stream iPhone screen, video or audio to TV, then open Apple AirPlay settings. Turn on. Screen mirror. Select your Roku TV. That's it. Now you know how to connect iPhone to Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.